Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom fields to protect blocks of content for those that are not logged in or paid users. This won't require any plugins, so you won't have to download and install a membership plugin. So currently I'm looking at my field group classes, and I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of new fields in here. So the first one is going to be text field. So we'll just give it a name, protect text, and then we'll go ahead and add a new field. This one's going to be a true false field called protect page. We'll change this to a WYSIWYG editor. I think that will work better. So let's just change this here and save. So let's go into our templates. We'll select the course template, and we want to select this block here. We're going to go ahead and just duplicate it, right click. And then we need to move this block directly underneath this text link here. We'll click on this and rename this to premium content. And then we'll delete this text link here. We won't need that. And we'll come up and we'll add some rich text here. In fact, let's add one more. So one of these is going to be called protected text, and this one's going to be called subscribe message. And you'll see why in just a second. This is where we're going to put the custom field in. So we'll click this, come down to ACF, and we'll choose protected text. And then for our subscribe message, we can go ahead and just put this piece of content in here. Let's set a condition for this. So if we come up here, click the plus button, and we want to show this to certain user roles, and we want to set this is not a SureCart customer and is not a subscriber. This is saying that if the user's not logged in as a customer or a subscriber, you're going to get this message. And for testing, let's not make this show for the admin. Now for this one, the protected content, we'll go ahead and add something similar. It's going to be the user role, and this one is going to be set to is a customer, a subscriber, or an admin. Let's go ahead and save this, and we'll test it out into our video classes. Let's work on this one here, the crash course video 1. We'll come down and see we have a box now for protected text. And here we can put anything we want, really. We can put a link, a graphic, text, whatever. For now, just to test this, let's just put in a placeholder link. We'll call this downloadable PDF. And we'll just give it a hashtag here. So right below that, remember we added a protect page. I'm going to come back to this in a minute. But for now, let's just test this out. We're going to save. We'll go ahead and preview the class here. Now, because I'm the admin, I get the downloadable PDF. But let me open up this URL in another browser in here. In this example, I'm not logged in. I just get this subscribe today message. So that's how that works. It's actually very straightforward to do. You just need to set up some custom fields and do the condition logic in Bricks. So while we're on this page, let's edit the class, and I want to show you how the protect page works. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We'll save it. We'll need to go into Appearance, Theme, File Editor. I didn't mention this in one of the previous videos, but make sure that you're using the child theme here. And if you don't have a child theme, make sure you install it, because when Bricks does its updates, it will just overwrite all this work. So you need to keep it separate. So down here, I've already pasted this in prior to this video, but this is a function that will protect the entire page. So you need to paste that in. And then once that's saved, you'll need to go in and add a page called no access. Just keep the naming the same. The slug should be no dash access for this to work with the function. And your page should look something like this, just a simple, you don't have access sort of thing. So what's going to happen is if somebody is not a SureCart customer or subscriber, they're going to land on this page. Let me show you how that works. Let's go back into a new browser. We'll paste that crash course link in here and we'll press enter. And people that aren't subscribed away from an entire page. Now, in the course that I'm doing, I'm not implementing this, but I want to just make it accessible for those that need this sort of setup.